Welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our funny from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. Mangubane makes a narrow escape after she is accused of witchcraft. Star is shamed by the community for Mangubane's wickedness. Gumede want to keep his village secret away from his township kids on Tuesday. Sabelo accidentally compromises Thembi's while Gumede is stuck between a rock and a hard place. Dulasi and Thembi find their way back to each other on Wednesday. As Thembi faces over a overwhelming grief during an emotional visit, Sabelo turns to music to help him deal with his emotions on Thursday. Thembi receives a disgusting request from Benson as a payment for the chicken she owes him, and Sabelo confront Makomete while there is drama in Shakaville on Friday. Lightning strikes the same place twice. Self-preservation cost a friend dearly, and chicken comes home to roost for Mangubane. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you.